You're watching Kabillion on Demand.
Wild Grinders!
Check it out. Because where there's a limo, there is always opportunity. Needy. Do what you do, young puppy.
Why is that car so long, man? Is it Giraffe driving it?
A giraffe? Come on, man. That's a limousine. Oh, that's right, Jackknife. A giraffe is driving a car.
Well, I don't know, man.
Hey, yo, go easy on Jackknife.
Thanks, homie.
Don't touch me with your dirty, germy fingers. Oh! Why are you filming me?
I find your germophobic personality fascinating.
Come on, man.
Oh, we need a closer look.
Yo, that's Chad and Ashelina. I can't believe it.
Is the doggy okay? Oh, look at this fabulously resourceful inner city yard.
Slum children are so creative.
It's so urban. I love it.
Hey, who's she calling slum children?
Us?
I was being rhetorical.
You were being who?
Wild Grinders, I think we may have found ourselves a sponsor.
¿Qué? ¿Dónde?
Excuse me?
Look, you need to trust me on this. Look pathetic, sad, and hopeless.
So emo Chris just do you?
Oh, how dare you. Everybody, shut up and act pathetic. Hello, ma'am, sir.
Oh, my God. Chad, babe, look at the little urban orphan babies.
Lovebug, we have to adopt them.
Immediately.
You are all now hereby and forthwith adopted by Ashelina and Chad.
All right, let's get them a nanny or something. And could somebody take these babies I'm holding? I'm getting infant all over me.
Hey, Rob, we can't be adopted. We have parents.
Parents, JJ? Really? We're talking about parents right now? I mean, look at our boards. Jackknife, are those even wheels?
Maybe.
Is that a bagel?
Yeah, maybe.
Look, guys, we are wild grinders, okay? And right now, we are junkie grinders, because all of our equipment is horrible. How are we supposed to get sponsored with bad equipment? We need this. We're gonna have the best equipment, the best clothes. I'm talking the best of everything.
Then what?
Then we are SFL.
SFL?
Superstars for life.
I'm broadcasting live from deep inside one of Sprawl City's poorest areas, where Sprawlywood megastars Ashelina and Chad just adopted 6 street urchins. How do you feel now that you've been rescued from the streets by your new fabulously famous parents?
Oh, it just feels so incredible, you know? We've lived in this old lot for so many years. I mean, we eat mostly rocks. I just can't believe the heavens have opened up and dropped Chad and Ashelina down to save us. Yellow, is that our son?
Robert?
If you are looking for me, you should know my new adopted name is Urban Baby Number 1. I just stopped by to pick up a few things, and FYI, I am moving in with Chad and Ashelina. Now, if you'll excuse me, I have a rendezvous with Urban Babies Number 2 through 6. Later. You be home by 7 now, or you never skate again.
Urban Baby 1!
What's up, Emo Chris?
We have sold out. There's no use living, really. Break my board. Just break my board and leave me for dead.
Look, I'm just saying, we've been trying to get sponsored our entire skateboarding lives. Who needs a sponsor when you got Chad and Ashelina?
Money changes everything.
I have a suitcase full of money for an Urban Baby number 4.
Yeah, that's me. Where do I sign?
Your new mother and father couldn't be here, but they say hello, and they send this hug. No, it's okay. Just let it go. No, come here.
Let's not get awkward.
Ashelina and Chad also sent another wonderful gift to commemorate this occasion.
I'm skating on solid gold. Me llaman el conquistador.
We're the Golden Grinders! We did it, and we won't be stopped. You know we did it. Skating on gold to the top. You know we did it, and everything feels right. You know we did it. Just doing it. Just doing it. We did it, and we're right on time. You know we did it. The Golden Grinders will shine. You know we did it, and everything feels right. Tonight's gonna be the night that we take flight. Cause you know we did it, and we won't be stopped. You know we did it, we're skating on gold to the top. You know we did it, and everything feels right. Tonight's gonna be the night that we take flight.
Mm-hmm. Oh, yes, I understand. May I have your attention, please? Ashelina and Chad are breaking up. I'm afraid our business here is done.
All right, boys, let's get this stuff out of here.
What does this all mean, Little Rob?
I'm afraid it means goodbye. Of course, I'll need those boards and any boxes of cash you've received.
No! Not the money! It's my new favorite thing! Yo! This place is even worse than before.
And where is all our old skate stuff?
There it is. A sad stack of broken dreams.
Come on, man. Who cares about being Golden Grinders? We're Wild Grinders. And let's be real, we just skated on the moon. Hold up, where's Meaty?
And now a word from our sponsor. El Chavo is on Kabillion.
This is Chavo's neighborhood where crazy dreams they do come true. Chavo is misunderstood, but not by me or you. His friends are strange like it never seemed. Some are sweet and some are mean. The sneaky one, the spoiled kid, the girls who love this loony lad. Welcome to his neighborhood where crazy dreams they do come true. Chavo is misunderstood, but not by me.
Watch El Chavo on Kabillion. Kabillion! You've been watching Kabillion on Demand.